sir. Bob. Occupation, school teacher. Go ahead and let's check the backyard. Nothing to see here, people. I heard they found a couple people's cell phones too.
Oh, I'm sure they got sucked out.
Oh my God.
You're like, I need to film this. Oh.
I don't think I would fly it ever again.
That would be very hard. Last night was the Golden Globes, and Joe Coy was the host, and it was a very uncomfortable night. Now, we love him. He's a great comedian, and just out of hosting duties are his jam. One joke sparked some backlash, and that was about Taylor Swift.
The big difference between the Golden Globes and the NFL, on the Golden Globes, we have fewer camera shots of Taylor Swift. I swear.
See, I still think he just wasn't comfortable with his material. He didn't have enough time to go over. He flubbed the punchline right there. That's a good joke.
I think he was saying cutaway and cameras and kind of flubbed it. Taylor Swift was not amused. She didn't really do anything except take a sip of champagne, and I thought that was kind of funny. His joke about Barbie also fell flat.
The key moment in Barbie is when she goes from perfect beauty to bad breath, cellulite, and flat feet. Or what casting directors call character actor.
Oh no.
Yo, I got the gig 10 days ago. You want a perfect monologue? Yo, shut up.
I mean, again, he didn't have a whole lot of time.
I know, but that's a little aggressive. But there was a lot of points where it was very awkward, and the cut twos of the celebrities in the crowd. There's a great Harrison Ford meme.
Yeah.
The memes are everywhere.
The Taylor Swift reaction to her joke, she literally didn't react, and then she just took a quick sip of champagne.
I know.
It was the sip of cancellation.
It was beautiful.
I will say this, something else I was thinking about. When Joe Coy does a Joe Coy show, when he comes to Chase Center, that room is filled with nothing but Joe Coy lovers. He could do anything he wants, and we would still laugh. This was a room full of people that are like, all right, let's see what this guy's about.
I think also
he
doesn't have the hosting skills. He has the stand-up skills. It can be very different because it's not rehearsed. You're doing all this live. Speaking of Taylor Swift, she and Travis Kelce celebrated New Year's Eve together, and there's a video going around now of them sharing a kiss. And apparently, Swifties are trying to figure out if Travis may have said the L word in this video.
Too good.
I love you. A professional lip reader took a look at the video and said it was too blurry to tell. The couple have been together since September 2023, but we're all speculating that they were together way before that, because no one's that chummy with their boyfriend's mom that quickly.
She even said, by the time everybody saw us, we were already a couple.
Yeah, exactly.
So maybe a year even? Who knows? All right, let's take it back to the Golden Globes really quick. Oppenheimer was one of the big winners at the Golden Globes last night, picking up 5 awards, including Best Picture. Cillian Murphy won for Best Actor. Robert Downey Jr. for Best Supporting Actor. Lily Gladstone won for Best Actress for Killers of the Flower Moon. Billie Eilish won for her song for the Barbie soundtrack. On the TV side, Succession was a huge winner. Kieran Culkin, Macaulay's brother, went up and accepted the award, and very jokingly told Pedro Pascal to suck it, which I thought was funny.
Yeah. That's
very on brand.
Yes, very on brand.
And then also The Bear was a big winner. So there you go. If you are a fan of NSYNC or the Backstreet Boys or both, apparently Joey Fatone from NSYNC and AJ from the Backstreet Boys are going on tour. I don't know if you hear that, Corey.
I do.
But that sounds like fun. I'll have some dates for you. I will track this story for sure. Football was the biggest thing over the weekend. The Niners lost to the Rams yesterday, 21-28 at Levi Stadium. The game didn't really matter. It was the end of the regular season. Still sucks to lose. They do have a bye this weekend, so we will be rested up and be ready for the playoffs the following weekend. Go Niners.
Catch what's trending every weekday morning on the 50s. That's at 6:50, 7:50, and 8:50 a.m.
And connect now with the Marcus and Corey socials and blogs. That's at 1013.com.
You guys, I totally forgot. I'm sitting here staring at it. The Bottle Rock Napa Valley lineup just got released.
Oh, cool.
3-day passes go on sale starting tomorrow. Pearl Jam, Ed Sheeran, Stevie Nicks, Mana. Those are just your headliners.
I love it.
Could be over 75 bands. I've already checked hotel prices. I will be sleeping in my car. But we have information for tickets and the stories and Marcus and Corey on Instagram. Give us a follow.
Monday morning, mostly cloudy for the coast and North Bay. Scattered clouds inland. More clouds this afternoon. Temperatures starting chilly, then low to mid-50s.
This report is sponsored by Kuza by Cirque du Soleil under the Big Top at Ballerina Grounds.
Cirque du Soleil presents Kuza, an adrenaline rush of acrobatics and electrifying performances. Experience Cruise's uplifting thrill starting January 17th in San Francisco and April 18th in San Jose. Tickets on sale at CirqueDuSoleil.com.
Shut up. Shut up. I didn't say anything.
This Friday, shut up.
Inappropriate.
And get to theaters. We are very exclusive.
We're so lucky to have us as friends.
Mean Girls.
Good and loser.
Rated PG-13. Only in theaters Friday.
Start your wellness journey at Whole Foods Market. Get 33% off all supplements with Prime through January 9th. Fuel your body with a well-rounded supplement routine for less. While supplies last, shop in-store or online. Terms apply.
You'll never know the feeling until you experience it here yourself at Disneyland Resort. Like the gazillion amazing and dashing at you over, under, and upside down on the Incredicoaster. Because here, every hand is even bigger, even better, and beyond anything you've ever felt before. It's that when you're at the happiest place on earth. It's only at Mickey's Toontown, where in real life can feel like in cartoon. It's where it becomes racing around Radiator Springs, and where it becomes on Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. It's that feeling when you're at Disneyland Resort, and there's no better time than now.
For limited time, children ages 2 to 9 can visit Disneyland Resort theme park. First load is $50 per child with a special one-day water park ticket valid January 8th to March 10th, 2024. Visit Disneyland.com for important details. Park admission and reservation required for park entry.
My next guest is a salmon who dreams of becoming milk. So I, Mario Lopez, have some motivational words for you, pal. Yeah, some might gag at the idea of salmon milk. You know what? Don't listen to them. Swim against the current. Show them you're not just another fish in the sea. Smoke them later. Yes, everyone wants to be milked these days, but you're different. Get real. Got milk?
Boom! You just hit the fitness trifecta. City Sports Club has convenient locations, premier amenities, and best of all, unbeatable New Year pricing. What are you waiting for? Your health and fitness goals are within reach with City Sports Club. Your free pass is waiting at citysportsfitness.com.
This is Lane Schiffman of Shreve & Company.
Lane is a member of the 4th generation of his family committed to preserving the highest standards and the finest quality of jewelry in America.
From San Francisco and Palo Alto
To Greensboro, North Carolina.
You've told us that you prefer high standards and fine quality.
You have kept true craftsmanship alive in America.
From our family to yours, thank you.
Thank you from 5 generations.
Shreve & Company, 150 Post off Union Square and in Palo Alto, perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
Stock up with savings at your neighborhood Wrigley's and Nob Hill. This week, our Something Extra members get an exclusive digital offer on Wrigley's fresh, boneless, skinless chicken breasts raised with no antibiotics ever. They're just $1.97 a pound. Limit 2 packages when you click your digital offer online or in the Wrigley's app. And start your year with savings on fresh and nutritious produce like Hass avocados. On sale for 5 for just $5. Savings you can count on, in-store, online, or on the app. Only at Wrigley's and Nob Hill.
Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is a serious heart condition. Some symptoms include being short of breath, feeling tired, or having dizziness or chest pain. My HCM impacted how I felt and what I could do. So I asked my cardiologist about treatment advances that gave me new options. That conversation was big for me. That's why I'm working with Bristol Myers Squibb to raise awareness about HCM and to help others like me. Talk to your cardiologist today and visit hcmrealtalk.com to learn more.
Sponsored by Bristol Myers Squibb.
The free iHeartRadio app has over 100 commercial-free stations waiting for you right now, like Pop Rewind, commercial-free hit music from the 2000s through today. Just search Pop Rewind and listen now on your free iHeartRadio app. Free never sounded so good.
Does managing your healthcare feel like a full-time job? Bounced around from one doctor to the next? Did they get your lab results? Were you supposed to bring those? All the forms, the bills, the not-a-bills, the...
Press 4 to repeat these options.
Does healthcare have to be this way? At Kaiser Permanente, all of us work together to make healthcare easier. And with integrated care and coverage, all you have to do is focus on your health. Learn more at kp.org. Kaiser Permanente, for all that is you.
We're from Washington. We love Febrez's new scent. Refresh and energize.
So much made a song about it.
I can't escape this feeling. This time, refresh and energize. It's a move. It's a vibe. Branding for the first time. So free, so alive. 1013 Bay Area traffic.
It's Marcus and Corey. Morning traffic is brought to you by Mattress Firm. In Juneau, we have an accident with the left lane is blocked. That's 2 cars 80 westbound before Appian Way. At Mattress Firm's once-a-year sale and clearance, you can save up to 60% on select mattresses, plus score a free adjustable base on qualifying purchases. Here's to better sleep in 2024. The right mattress matters, and Mattress Firm will find yours.
KIOI-FM, San Francisco, San Mateo, San Jose, an iHeartRadio station.
Listen on the free iHeartRadio app for all your music, radio, and podcasts. Free never sounded so good.
date, and then we try to figure out why you're not getting the second date. That's why it's called second date update.
Say good morning to Chad. What's up, Chad?
Hey, how's it going?
Do you prefer Chad or the Chad?
Chad is cool with me.
All right, good.
Are you quoting something from Charlie's Angels?
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Oh, God.
Welcome, Chad. So tell us about Tara, dude. Like, I want to know ultimately how you guys met and then what you did for your first date.
Okay, yeah. We met on Bumble. So obviously she hit me up first, and I think honestly it was a combo of her love for traveling that was a big selling point for me. So I love traveling as well. And we messaged for a couple weeks before that, and I just found her really intelligent and funny and just super interesting to talk to. You know, you meet those people, there's a never-ending topic of discussion to just keep talking about.
I feel that kind of about Corey, to be fair.
You're welcome.
We messaged for a couple weeks and then decided to get up for drinks in the city.
Okay, easy. Is it centrally located for you guys, or just because it's SF?
Yeah, I mean, I'm up in Marin, and she was in the Mission District, so we just kind of found a halfway point.
Convenient for the lady. I like it. Okay, what has happened since then?
So, I feel like we had a great time. She was honestly even better in person, and super hot. I'm not gonna lie.
Right.
We laughed. It was really never an awkward moment, and so yeah, I just don't understand why I'm not getting a response from her now.
Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We'll have you on the line. We'll have you mute your phone, and we will call her and see what she thought. Okay?
Okay.
All right, dude. Just hang out for a song, and we'll do it right after this. It is second date update. Star 113.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Why'd you have to leave so soon? Why'd you have to go? Why'd you have to leave me when I needed you the most? 'Cause I don't really know how to tell you that I'm feeling much worse. I know you're in a better place, but it's always gonna hurt. Carry on. Give me all the strength I need to carry on. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. How do I breathe without you? I'm feeling so cold. I'll be waiting right here for you till the day you're home. Carry on. Give me all the strength I need to carry on. So let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll